Okay, we've had an iPhone 12 mailed in that's dead to the world. We've hooked it up to a DC power supply, but it shows no short on the main power rail. So I'm going to run you through some tips as to what I do to try and find the short, because something is preventing this phone from turning on. So let's get into it. Okay, first and foremost, what I like to do if there is no short on the main battery line, what I will do is I will take the black glue off all these surrounding components around the NAND, the memory chip, and we'll check for shorts. So with our multimeter in continuity mode, we'll just probe around all the big chunky caps. One side should be ground, that's the beep. The other side should be quiet. Same again on all these, beep and quiet. Same again here, beep and beep. Right, so as you can see on that one, there's short to ground on both sides. And them two I think are connected. That one's okay. That one's okay. That one's shorted. And that one's okay. So we clearly have a short on this line and this line. So let's go over to ZXW and see if they're on the same line. Okay, so over in ZXW, what we'll do, we'll click on that component that was shorted, and as you can see it is that component as well, and yet those two lines are the same. And as we can see, it's PP2V6, so it is a power line voltage. It's 2 volts 6. So what we'll do, we'll inject a little bit of voltage on that rail and see if one of these capacitors that's highlighted stands out, so we can see which capacitor is the bad one. Okay, so with our DC power supply set to 2.6 volts because we don't want to blow anything, and it's set on ZXW, it's a 2.6 volt line. What I like to do is I will freeze the board. Nice and cold. And we'll just inject, so ground on, black on ground, and then we'll just inject a little bit of voltage onto one of them caps, which was here. And instantly I could see this capacitor melted very quickly. Let's do that again. Yeah, so I think that's the problem capacitor. So let's take that capacitor off and let's see if the short is cleared. Okay. So let's see if that short's still there. So I will put black probe on ground, and let's see if there is a short. That's ground, and that's the live, and there is no short. We can confirm that over here. No beep, beep. No, that's the live. So the short on the 2.6 rail has now gone. So let's just drop it in a housing and see how it looks. Okay, with it in a housing, let's see if we get anything. That's a good sign. Let's see if we get a boot as well. I better put that on there just in case. Nice. Job's a good one.